Welcome to Math with Dharanjaya. Today we are going to learn factorization of algebraic expression. What do you mean by factorization? Factorization is nothing but a number can be written as a product of two numbers. So 3 times 4, 1 times 12, 6 times 2. So when I express a number as a multiple or the product of two numbers, then this process is known as factorization. This I showed with numbers. The same process we are going to follow with algebraic expression. There are 5 types. Type 1, by taking common factor outside. So we need to find the common factor of each term. So how many terms are there? We have 3 terms. Term 1, term 2, term 3. We need to take the common factor from each term. For that first step we need to find the common factor. First check with the numbers. Numbers 2, 5 and 9. Do we have any common factor between 2, 5 and 9? No, because 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So we can't find the common factor. So we will leave the numbers. Next come to the variable. The variable is m power 3, m power 2 and m. When you take the common factor, you need to take the least power, the smallest power. So here the smallest power is m power 1 or m. So the common factor is m. So when I write the answer, I write the common factor outside, open the bracket, and you need to divide each term by this common factor. I should divide by m. So when I divide by m, what will I get? The number is the same, so I write 2 as it is. M power 3, that is m cube divided by m is m power 3 minus 1, that is m square. Write the minus sign as it is, and then 5, I don't have a number, so I write it as it is, that is 5 by 1 is 5, and next m square divided by m. So m power 2 minus 1, that is m, plus, and here I can cancel m and m. So the answer is m into 2m square minus 5m plus 9. So now I have expressed this expression as a product of two factors. Maybe the factor is big, no problem. We should write as a product of two factors or two numbers. Now let's see one more example. Example 2, factorize 4x square y plus 8xy. So first step, we need to check with the number 4 and 8. Find the common factors for 4 and 8. There is nothing but the GCF. So the GCF of 4 and 8 is 4. So write 4. Now we'll come to the variable. I have two variables, x and y. So you need to check each variable. Here I have x square, here I have x. So x is the least power. You should pick the variable which has the least power. So x, and then coming to y. Both I have y. So no problem. You just write y. And then open the bracket. Opening the bracket is very important. That shows as the product. And now you want to divide each term by the common factor. The common factor is 4xy, 4xy. Now you can find 4 and 4 gets cancelled. X square divided by x. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 1, it is not necessary to write 1. X square by x is x, and y gets cancelled. So I don't want to write y. Bring down the symbol plus, and then 8 divided by 4 is 2. X and x gets cancelled. Y gets cancelled. So the answer is 4xy into x plus 2. Now, how can you check your work whether it is right or wrong? You can multiply by the common factor. You can multiply each term by the common factor. Now, let's multiply. 4xy times x. 4 times 1 is 4. X into x is x squared. Y, I don't have a y, so y times 1 is y. So the first term is right. Now we'll check with the next term. Plus 4 times 2 is 8. And the xy here, I don't have any variable. That means it is 1. So xy times 1 is xy. So I have got same as the question. So this shows that what you have factorized is right. Thank you. Next video we will go with the type 2.